Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video I wanted a tutorial on how to create these adorable little bow clips. I use these on a project for In Love Art, this one in particular. And I did show this in the video, but I want to do a short tutorial. And so I created one for this cute little My Little Crafty Shop box that I shared in another video. I will link that video down below. But this box, it doesn't, you can leave the top open to put goodies in, and then the recipient can open it. And so that's why I wanted to create this clip, so that it can kind of like, you know, clip there and it can still be decorative and cute. So I will link that down below. So today's video, I'm going to be featuring Happy Crafter Shop's cabochons. She just sent a new design team package that I just unboxed on my channel. I will leave a playlist link down below. I will leave the links to these videos that I mentioned. And let's get started with this tutorial. It is so quick and easy, guys. Quick. What is wrong? Every time I turn this camera on. So she has some adorable new things in her shop. Make sure you check all these little goodies out and grab them before they sell out. This is how they look. And it's so simple to make these. All you're going to need are these Bulldog clips. And they sell these in gold and like Michael's and stuff like that. But these pink ones in particular, I think I got them from Amazon. So I will link them down below. You're going to need some kind of like bow, whatever kind of bows. If you have some pre-made, if you want to make your own. You guys know I love to make mine out of this pink satin trim from Dollar Tree. So I have one pre-made so that this tutorial won't take long. You're going to need some E6000 and then whatever kind of cabochons that you want to use. By the way, guys, you can use my code Poochie10 as always to shop with Happy Crafter Shop, and then also My Little Crafty Shop. The code is Poochie10 as well. Okay, so I'll have those links down below for those videos in case you guys missed them and you want to check them out. So we're going to need our bow. We're going to need our Bulldog clip. Happy Crafter Shop has tons of cabochons to choose from. These are some of the new ones that she sent. Again, check out that unboxing if you haven't checked it out. I'm obsessed with these rose ones. Okay, and then how good would this huge flower one look? It will look so pretty. So we're basically going to glue this to this Bulldog clip, and that's it, guys. Look at how cute that will look. Okay, so tons of cute things that you can use. I think we should just go ahead and use that one. I'm going to use that one, okay? That's flower one. So I got my bow pre-made. I have my Bulldog clip. You're going to need some E6000. And then if you want to use just solely E6000, I suggest using a clip to hold it together while it dries. Or you can mix the E6000 with a little bit of hot glue, and it'll give you like a faster bond. But my hot glue is so messy right now, like it's a mess. All right, so grab your Bulldog clip. You're going to get your bow, and we are going to put E6000 right on the center of that bow, a little dollop. We are going to stick that right on behind this hole for the Bulldog clip, just like that, right in the center. Okay, and then you can put a little extra. It depends on the cabochon that you use. Look at the space that you have. And then I'm going to put a tiny bit of hot glue just so for the purpose of this video. But again, I don't like all the glue strings that I get. And then you're going to take your cabochon. See, I put too much glue. Don't do that. Okay. And you are just going to center it just like that, you guys. Okay. I want to let this dry a little bit. I should grab like a Q-tip or something. Stick it in there. And then let me put a little bit of hot glue on my bow. You could do it the opposite way as well. And, you know, stick your cabochon on first and then your bow. It doesn't matter. I forgot to put hot glue on the bow. So just like that, you guys, it's so simple to do. And then, again, I like to use the E6000 because the hot glue is messy. And so I will take my clip and just keep it like that until it's fully dry, okay? But how cute is this clip, you guys? It is super simple. Let's do another one. Let's do another one of the Of course, I don't have a bow ready. I feel like I just made like 10 bows. Let's use this little rose. It is so pretty. From Happy Crafter Shop. Guys, I am always losing my satin ribbon. It's always right in my face. So I just hand tie these. This is not a tutorial. I feel like my fingers are too fat for me to show a tutorial on how to do this. But just, if you have some bows that are already made, use those, okay? But again, I love this pink on pink. And I'm obsessed with the satin ribbon from Dollar Tree. Every time I go to Dollar Tree and I see a couple packs, I grab them. So a double loop bow. And again, make sure that you fray your ends if you're making your own. See, they never come out perfect, but I love them either way. You can kind of adjust it a little bit. All right, there we go. I'm gonna go ahead and cut my tails. I want this to be like the shortest tutorial ever. All right. And then again, make sure that you fray your, whatever this is called. Use your lighter, pass your lighter against the edges. Be careful you don't burn like I did. Okay. Because it will fray on you. And we don't want that. See, the fire is a little too big for this. So there goes my bow, right? And then I'm going to go ahead and put some E6000. So I'm just going to put it all like that. And I'm going to put a little dab of hot glue. Just so this can be quick, okay? And I'm going to go ahead and stick that right there behind the hole of my Bulldog clip. And then I'm going to put a little dab of hot glue. I don't know, like right there. And I'm also going to put a little bit of E6000. Not much. This just speeds up the process, you guys. And I'm going to stick that cabochon right in the middle. And there goes another beautiful little clip. This one's so pretty. You could even go the extra mile and you can like bling right here. You can put little diamond dots. But how beautiful are these, you guys? The possibilities are endless with Happy Crafter Shop's cabochons and all the little goodies that she sends. So again, I will link all the videos down below. Make sure that you close up your E6000. And I love to get these small ones because I always mess up the huge one. I can never reopen it. So they sell those everywhere, guys. That's it for this video. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. This is how they came out. They're gorgeous. So you can like swap them out. And they're just perfect for this little box or for whatever project that you want to add a little decorative clip to. They're gorgeous, you guys. I love this pink one on this one. So check out Happy Crafter Shop. I hope that you guys found some inspiration from this video. Tag me in your creations. I would love to see what you guys make. And I will catch you guys in the next video. Bye, everyone.